Hey everyone, need to connect your wireless earbuds to your Windows laptop? Let me show you exactly how to do that. Alright, so first thing, put your earbuds in pairing mode. Usually you do this by holding down the button on the case or the earbuds themselves until you see a flashing light. Check your earbuds manual if you're not sure, but most work the same way. Now, on your laptop, click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner and go to Settings. You can also just press Windows key plus I to open Settings directly. In Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices on the left side. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. You'll see a toggle switch at the top. If it's off, click it to turn Bluetooth on. Okay, now click Add Device or the plus button at the top. A window pops up asking what kind of device you want to add. Click Bluetooth. Your laptop starts scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Give it a few seconds and you should see your earbuds pop up in the list. They'll show up with whatever name they have, like AirPods, Galaxy Buds, or whatever brand you've got. Click on your earbuds when you see them. Windows will connect to them automatically. You might see a connecting message for a second. Once they're connected, you'll see Connected next to your earbuds name, and you should hear a little confirmation sound in the earbuds themselves. That's it. Your earbuds are now connected. Audio from your laptop will play through them automatically. Want to disconnect? Just go back to Bluetooth settings and click Disconnect, or turn off your earbuds. And there you go. Super easy way to connect any wireless earbuds to your Windows laptop.